27C is day 2 of solving equations with variables on both sides. So, like I said yesterday, the whole year we've been solving equations, but yesterday we introduced having x terms on both sides of the equations. We're going to do that today as well, but now there isn't going to be only one answer. There will be a different number of solutions. So, let's get started. This is not on your notes, so just watch. This is what we did yesterday, where I want all of w's to be on the left, right? So I'm going to subtract, what? 8w. Subtract 8w from both sides, and I get w plus 3 equals 7. So far, you agree? Then subtract 3 from both sides, and I get w equals 4. Yes? That means that I can plug it back in to check my answer, right? If I plug it back in, w equals 4, that means that this answer is going to be equal to this answer. It will make a true statement, which means that w equals 4 was correct. We've been doing this all year, right? Checking your answer. If it's correct, that means that 4 is the only number you can plug into this original problem to make a true statement. There is one solution. That's what we've been doing. And then now I'm going to introduce that there is not always just one solution. So on to number 1. Do this with me. I'm going to subtract 9w from both sides. And we're left with 3 equals 7. Is that true? No. So go ahead and cross out the equal sign so that it says 3 does not equal 7. And since it is not equal, your answer to this problem is no solution. This is your answer. If you leave it as 3 is not equal to 7, that's still part of your work. So please be sure to actually write no solution. That means that no matter what number you plug into the w, it's never going to work. It's always going to be number equals some different number. Okay? On to number 2. I have negative 5t on both sides, so I want to make them both on the left, hopefully. So I'm going to add 5t to both sides, and they end up both crossing out again. But this time I have negative 8 equals negative 8. Is that true? Yeah. Yes, so since this is always true, this is called infinite number of solutions. This is called infinitely many, is what you'll mostly see. This means that no matter what number you plug in for t, it's always going to be number equals same number. It'll always be true. Okay? So turn your notes over. I've mixed up all 3 different kinds of problems. The regular one solution kind where x equals something, and that's one solution. The number is not equal to a number, so it's no solution. And number is equal to the same number, like 5 equals 5, that will be infinitely many solutions. So I'll do 3, 4, and 5 with you, and you're going to finish the rest on your own. So number 3, the goal is to get x equals something, hopefully. So I'm going to move all the x's to the left. So subtracting 2x from both sides, I am left with x minus 5 equals 12. Add 5 to both sides, x equals 17. So this is the only answer. You don't have to write one solution because it's very obvious that x equals 17 is one answer. So just circle that x equals 17. Number 4, distributive property first. So 3x plus 8 equals 2x plus 8 plus x. And I have 3 x terms, but you can combine like terms only on the same side as the equal sign. So don't put all of them together. So this would be 3x plus 8 equals 3x plus 8. If I subtract 3x from both sides, I'm left with 8 equals 8. Is that true?
Yes.
So this will be infinitely many solutions. And the words is your answer. If you leave it as 8 equals 8, you have not told me the solution yet. Number 5, distributive property first. 3x plus 2 equals 2x minus 8 plus x. Again, combining like terms only on the same side of the equal sign. So 3x plus 2 equals 3x minus 8. Subtract 3x from both sides. 2 equals negative 8, which is true or false? False. That's not true. It doesn't make a true statement. So this would be no solution. You do have to write the words to get credit for finishing a problem. Go ahead and finish the rest of it all the way through number 10, and then we will check with our shoulder partners and go over the answers in a few minutes.
Alright, for number 6.
Number 6.
What I did is that I had 3x plus 5 equals 3x minus 7. I subtracted 3 by both sides.
Subtracted 3x from both sides.
3x by both sides. So 5 equals negative 7. So I got no solution.
Excellent. Number 7. Scott.
Okay, so on the left side I added 4x plus 1x. I got 5x minus 12 equals 5x minus 12.
Mm-hmm.
So then I subtracted 5x and 5x, and I got negative 12.
Which is
Infinitely many solutions.
very nice. Infinitely many solutions. Number 8.
So I did 2x plus 12 equals negative 2x minus 6, and then you cancel out the negative with negative 2, and you get 12 is not equal to negative 6, so there's no solution.
No solution. And number 9.
Distributed, so 4x plus 8 plus 4 equals 6x plus 2 plus 2 plus 6x plus 12.
There you go. Very good. Infinitely many solutions. And last one, Carlos.
I added 14x to each side, and so it was negative 20.
Good. Subtracting 14x.
And then I added 8 to 20, so I got 28. And then negative 7x divided by 28 is negative 4.
Excellent. So this has one solution, and that solution is x equals negative 4. Awesome. You don't have to write one solution. Any questions about today's lesson? Awesome. Go ahead and share what you learned today. Ready? Share.